In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view portfolio diversification in Simply Safe Dividends. Let's start by getting into your Simply Safe Dividends account. Open the site and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. From there, the navigation is straightforward. Look toward the main menu and find the Portfolios area. This is the hub for everything related to your holdings, performance, and analytics inside Simply Safe Dividends. Once you're in the Portfolio section, choose the portfolio you want to review. If you only have one, it should open by default. If you have several, pick the one you want to analyze today. Taking a moment to confirm you're looking at the right portfolio helps ensure the diversification data reflects the correct set of holdings. With your portfolio open, head to the diversification area. This is where Simply Safe Dividends visualizes how your investments are spread out. The page typically displays charts and breakdowns that make it easy to see your exposure across sectors, industries, and individual positions. Think of it as a map of where your risk and income are concentrated. As you scan the sector breakdown, pay attention to how much of your portfolio sits in areas like technology, consumer staples, utilities, financials, and healthcare. If one sector dominates, it could mean your portfolio is more sensitive to news and trends in that part of the market. The diversification view also often highlights the percentage of income each holding or sector contributes. That's particularly useful for dividend investors because it shows not just where your money is invested, but where your income is coming from. Look for any single position that takes up an outsized share of your portfolio or your dividend income. A large position isn't automatically a problem, but it's helpful to recognize when one stock carries a big influence on your results. The diversification page can help you spot these situations quickly. You might also see breakdowns by market cap or other categories, which can reveal whether you're leaning more toward large, established companies or smaller, potentially faster growing names. Again, there's no single perfect mix, but understanding your balance helps you make more informed decisions. That's really all there is to it. Log in, go to Portfolios, select the portfolio you want, and then open Diversification to review your sector and position exposure. Use these visuals to get a clear, at-a-glance understanding of how your holdings are spread out and where your dividend income is concentrated. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find and assess your diversification in Simply Safe Dividends.